Slideshow!
Into that lodge.
Oh, we've got a structural fire engine down there protecting
This
it.
isn't just about protecting the lodge. There's low humidity.
He got the Park Service to shift 80% of our budget to his lodge restoration project.
This base is held together with baling
Shimmer
wire.
and shine. Bring
My name is Kobe. This shimmer and shine. Wishes of me.
Still blasted.
School's next, sister. Yeah.
Right. Fire truck with going.
You're not the only ones who can put out a fire, right? Oh, see you at the party. Yes, I will. Superstar.
Fire truck.
He's even more famous than you, Blazing Blade.
Blazing Blade? What? What, me shit?
Shit!
Blazing Blade? Tonight, main hangar. Tell no one, especially Blade.
Okay. Password. Password!
You didn't tell me.
Shh.
You didn't tell me a password.
It's Inferno.
Oh, okay. Oh, Inferno.
Oh, no!
You like Inferno? It was either that or Maelstrom, but that was so Nordic.
Park it over here, Death Storm. Our first date, and I saved you a spot. Yeah. Never.
What? Fire truck.
Howard the Truck? You invited me here to watch a...
Fire truck. What are you doing? Seriously, a fire truck. Crazy, itchy studios.
Quiet! Good move, partner.
Man, why you chop up and spoiling my fun?
Hey, you think it's fun running station wagons off the road for fun? If I had a nickel for
Rubber time.
worth it, man.
Dr. Miles. Pop. Are you there? Where are these?
No time to bet. No. Ah! Fire truck.
As much as it pains me to say this, you two jokers, you did a good job.
Nice catch today, Blade. Speaking of which, she's got a sister.
Good move, partner.
Fire truck. No, wait, what? Iron Beast, what go through Iron Bishop?
I just don't get something. If Blade was such a big TV star, what is he doing here?
I don't know.
We don't know!
Mysterious mystery.
It's like my fiance. He just vanished.
In my experience, this kind of stuff was classified.
Back up!
I heard he went cuckoo on the set.
Yeah, probably not.
I'm sure you know. Yes! I don't want to die!
Don't I go here. A fire truck. We need to go asking. I want to. Alright, fire truck, fire truck. Oh, you don't want the piece.
Lightning storm started a whole slew of spot fires and it merged. This is a big one.
Mewtwo, sister, are you there? Surtur's baby. Fuzzy's brother. Jason's girlfriend, are you there?
Practicing so
This
hard.
ain't no campfire. not certified.
Just give him a
He's
shot.
not certified. We need every plane we've got.
I want to help.
Help it. Fire truck.
Maru, load him up.
I refuse, brother.
What was that for?
Birthday star, you dare. Cheerleader. Strawberry's teacher. Come toys, ain't you dare.
Move into position. Split load. Coverage level 8.
Slime. Princess and Tennis Move.
Your next drop. Champ.
Just come on. Snappers, brother. Bam.
Too high.
Cutter Reds. Teacher, are you there?
Windlass your combination.
Harsh. Not gonna see. Bubbles, friend. DS Netflix, are you there? Ah! So Steph, show you! Skies, Dad, are you there? Kento's sister! Nearest drown! So does Dad! Day Dog's friend! Dog's baby! Cowie's Christmas! Fucking Dad, are you there? Hallie's Dad! John's twin sister, are you there? Wait, I'm going to get the fire truck!
Load and return. You've still got a lot of work to do.
Copy that.
Fire truck.
Dynamite just reported in. They're gonna camp out tonight and mop it up tomorrow.
Abby, how's it looking? We got that sucker box. Nice work. That's why we're here.
So, that's it?
Yep, fire's contained. The jumpers will stir on it until it's out. You did a great job out there, sweet.
Thanks.
The fire truck. And you're going to you look it.
Could have been you spread all over the woods instead of retardant. Don't go planning your certification party yet, champ.
Come on, that's just Blade's way of saying good job. Whoa, that was low.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, he's having a big party at the lodge tonight. We should go.
A second date? Oh, wow.
I kind of meant all of us. You and me and Windlifter and just everybody.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Good night, Strike. We didn't see yours.